This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an EAFC jump starter. First, confirm your vehicle uses a 12-volt battery system. Safety is paramount, so always don safety glasses and protective gloves before you begin. Crucially, check your EAFC jump starter's power level. It needs to be at least 50% charged to effectively start your vehicle. This preparation ensures a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. It's vital to ensure the clamps do not touch each other at any point during this process to prevent short circuits. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start your engine. Turn on your EAFC jump starter device. Then, attempt to start your vehicle's engine, but limit each attempt to no more than 5 seconds. If the engine doesn't immediately turn over, wait for at least 60 seconds before making another attempt. This allows the jump starter to cool down and reset. Once your vehicle's engine successfully starts, it's time to disconnect the jump starter. Always remove the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp. Allow your vehicle to run for a minimum of 15 minutes to give its battery a chance to recharge. Finally, remember to fully recharge your EAFC jump starter after every use, keeping it ready for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.